Number 115, which of the following is a multiple of 7? So yung divisibility rule ng 7, pwede na nating hindi i-apply dito kasi medyo maliliit lang yung numbers natin, hanggang 3 digits lang. So madali, isubtract na lang natin yung mga multiples ng 7 na times 10. By 10 siya, so subtract lang natin yung 70, 140, and then next ay 210. Okay, so subtract lang natin yan para madaling malaman kung divisible siya by 7. So 73 minus 70, ang matitira na lang ay 3. Obviously, 3 is not divisible by 7. And then 151, so isubtract natin yung next 140. So minus 140, ang magiging sagot natin ay 11. So 11 is not divisible by 7. 14 yung next na divisible by 7. So 263, subtract natin itong 210. So ang matitira dito, 263 minus 210, that is equal to 53. So again, 53 is not divisible by 7. Ang malapit ay 49 tsaka 56. So 126, ang isubtract natin itong 70. So 126 minus 70, the answer is 56. And 56 is divisible by 7. Since 56 divided by 7, that is equal to 8. So therefore, the correct answer is letter D, 126. Follow for more.